Social media shares are a ranking factor by search engines. If you can increase the number of shares, you will also increase your site's ranking. There are two awesome plugins for this. The first one is Inline We Share. This plugin allows you to create a shareable Twitter link in your content like the New York Times. I've never read the New York Times, so I don't know. That's what they say, believe them. Let's install the plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New. Type in the search box Inline We Share. This is the plugin that we are looking for. As you can see, I already installed and activated it. Now let's go to the setting page. Type in your Twitter handle. Mark Twitter links, use hashtags, capitalize first letter of tweets. Make sure you check these three boxes. Scroll down. Default options. You don't need to change anything here. Let's scroll down. Advanced options. You can enable Bitly integration to shorten links and track links in Bitly. But personally, I don't think you need to do that. But if you want to enable Bitly integration, you can read the instruction here. Over here, they have a very detailed instruction. Okay, now click Save Changes. When you go to the WordPress editor, you will notice that there's an extra tweet button in the navigation bar. Now, let's select something to tweet. Something inspirational, memorable. Okay, here it is. And I click on the tweet button. I'm lazy, so I'm not gonna add anything here. Save draft. And then click Preview. And here it is, the Tweetable link. Let's make another Tweetable link. Let's see, I choose this sentence. Click on the tweet button. And this time I'm gonna add a prefix and suffix. You should know. My Twitter handle. Then add a suffix. Retweet this, please. Okay. Save draft. Click Preview. And you will see the second tweetable link. When someone clicks on the link, Twitter will load up a pop-up box. Cats are just the all-around perfect pets to own. This is the message that I want my readers to share. How about the second link? You remember I've added the prefix and suffix for this one. Let's see. You should know I love my cats because they never talk back to me like my kids do. Retweet this, please. Alright, that's how Inlight We Share works. What? Why are there so many tweet links here? I just want to decorate my blog post. And I love birds. It looks so cute now, don't you think? There's a premium version and it costs £25 a year. If you're a serious blogger, you may need it. It has two powerful features, Google Analytics integration, and get more followers with relative followers feature. The Google Analytics integration is the key feature. It allows you to see which tweet links are being clicked on, which links are generating traffic so that you can make better decisions in your promotion. The premium version also encourages users to follow you after tweeting, and this can lead to more followers. Well, the premium version seems great, but for many and for me, the free version is enough. The second plugin you can use is Better Click to Tweet. This one is also super easy to use. Actually, it's much simpler than Inlight We Share. Let's install the plugin. Type in the search box, Better Click to Tweet. This is a plugin that we are looking for. I already installed it. Now I will activate it. And then you go to the settings. Type in your Twitter handle. Use short URL, check this box. And then click Save Changes. Now you will see another cute little Twitter bird button in the WordPress editor. Yes, you have two birds now. This one is Better Click to Tweet. Alright, let me do an example to show you how this plugin works. I'm gonna choose a sentence, a memorable message. Click on Better Click to Tweet. Nothing. What's that? Alright, cancel it. Choose the sentence again. Press Ctrl C to copy. And then Ctrl V to paste it here. Click OK. Save draft. And now let's see. The tweet box really stands out. And of course, everybody knows what to do with it. Just by sitting with your cat and petting him, you can bring a sense of calm and peace to your mind to distract you from life's troubles. Love it. If somebody clicks on this box, another tab will open. And they can tweet it. Very simple. Awesome. Both plugins are very easy to use and you can use them at the same time. This is an excellent way to increase social sharings on your posts. You can choose something inspirational or shocking to make your tweet links more clickbaity. Why not? This is a clever way to drive traffic to your website. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.